we're gonna learn some clay techniques. So first, here are some tools that you can use. You can have a rolling pin, and there are various different tools which you can scratch and carve designs into your clay. So you need some clay. I have some in here. It's looking a little dry. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to spritz it a little with the water so that it is not too dry. And what I can do if I want to is I can use like this tool here to carve into the clay to start making a design of some sort. Or maybe I don't want to do that. Save your scraps, don't throw them in the garbage. Maybe I want to carve some designs with a smaller, more controlled tool. Maybe I want to shape my clay and manipulate it into different ways. If it starts getting dry again, please remember to spray it. But the most important step with clay, oh, I didn't like that, so I'm just going to smooth that over. Clay is very forgiving, so you could do that. I want to slip and score a piece together. So I'm going to cut a design out here, so I'm going to draw it lightly in here. So let's first just cut off a piece. So this tool with a flat edge would work. Sliced it off. Now I'm gonna carve, I wanna do a design in there. So I'm going to draw lightly on here. Make it a little deeper. And then I can use a tool to cut it out. Like I said, save your scraps. Maybe you'll be able to use them later for whatever you're creating, or maybe they'll be recycled and reused. So you can shape it and manipulate it with your fingers too. Now I want to attach this onto here, let's say. Oh, so what I need to do is slip and score. So scoring, marking. I'm scoring right now into the clay, and I need to score also where I'm going to put it. Scoring in both directions, make sure those are really deep. And then I'm gonna take some slip, which is just clay, and water, really mushed up. If you want to, there are paintbrushes in some of the kits that you can use to paintbrush. And I'm just gonna lightly coat the slip over both of these. I'm not smoothing over the edges, and I am pressing this down and attaching it here. Now, if you notice, I have a bunch of slip, so I'm just gonna take my finger or a tool and smooth the edges to get the clay into the shape that I want it to. So you can use these tools to make whatever you would like and shape it. Don't forget to spray if it's getting too dry. And have fun.